how did I propose to Monique? Well, it pretty much involved me flying, overseas and trying to surprise her. So she's big on surprises, but at the same time, it's hard to surprise her. So I had to rope in some of her friends. It was around the period of time that she was graduating from Purdue University. So what I did, I called up her friends and I was like, all right, I need somebody to pick me up from the airport. I need somebody's house that I can actually cook the meals. So her friends, agreed. They were more than happy. So the plan was that her girlfriends were going to say, hey, we're going to have a ladies' night out. We're going to grab some drinks, eat some food. But I need to stop home to get something. That's Crystal. So, the plan went accordingly, well, until it starts to be too artificial.
Started getting suspicious when they said, usually they're like, Mo, you need to be here by this time, right? And they're like, oh, whenever you come, whenever you're in. What time is your football game? Oh, finish your game and then come. So I was like, immediately, I was like, something wrong.
So I hid in a closet and had scattered some rose petals, right throughout the living room, throughout the door.
We're walking out and, all through the door, then I heard Lou's voice say, Mo, and I turned around.
And I had my rose in my hand and I was like, hey babe, right? And everybody was like, oh, screaming and skittish. And Monique has like the straightest face. She was like, yeah, I already knew you were here.
I figured it out. Like, that was what was going in my head. Like, you know, walking somewhere and it's like, I know Lou's going to propose to me right now. He's not supposed to be here. So I was like, oh, makes total sense. He's a man after God's heart. He loves doing what God wants him to do. Like, he strives after that. That's, that's what he does. And so I think that's something that it's just a part of his character trait. And yeah, it's something that I absolutely love. I guess how much he loves me and cherishes me and, treats me and really tries to study me and all that stuff that could get on my nerves, but yeah, it comes from a good place.
She's beautiful, inside and out. Cliche, yes, but it's true. She look good. I just love how she look. But apart from that though, I love her heart. She's a warm, sincere, kind, loving, forgiving, patient individual. And I like the fact that she's honest and real and down to earth. And she loves family, she loves friends. She's just an awesome woman overall. Big Empress, you don't know her.